Okay, let me share the entire screen. Good. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, if my voice is not that good, so please tell me. Um, I'm still recovering. Okay. I'll repeat the sentence again. Okay. So yesterday we saw that to find Sai Pallavi, I think Nana's favorite actress, right? We added a duplicate as an entry with Sai Pallavi, and we wanted to know the index of it. Correct? We saw that this one yesterday. No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one thing what we did was r dot contains we did. There is also one method. Okay. Here we have to use the same for loop. Here we cannot try with the enhanced for loop. We are trying with the traditional for loop. Only thing we have to do here, when you put dot, you see the get function. Get of index. So you just have to get of index of 5. Then index should have contains as a character. So if we take contains, so we'll get an index of Sai Pallavi and which is I. So let me execute this run as the application. So Sai Pallavi, we have how many people here? How many times?
Two
Twice?
times.
2 times? So 1, 3. Okay. If I add, let's say, um, here we're just adding the contains. Okay. So let me add one more thing. If you are adding like this, uh, I don't know if this name exists or not. Manu Pallavi, something like that. So how many times it will have execute? Next. We're selecting what here? Only Pallavi. So Manu Pallavi will also be added, will be taken or not.
It will take.
Okay. So let me run this. Let me put a comment on this too. So run as the application. Now see. Index of Pallavi is 1, this one. Index of Pallavi is 3, index of Pallavi is 4. Okay, got it? Good. So this is an array list. Okay, so that's what we added right here. List as an array list. Good till this point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us try two more things. Okay, we have in, okay, so list, if you have seen the yesterday's class, we wrote the theory part for list, right? List actually allows duplicates. You can add a duplicate. For example, I want to add a list of integer. Tell me how it will look. List of integer. What do I write here? How the list of integer would look like? Guys, list of integer. What will look like?
List of int.
Oh, Rajesh, how are you, man? You okay?
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
I heard like okay. From today will be regular, kind of. Okay.
Mm.
I know you haven't gone through it yesterday's class. It's really good. So integer, we'll not write int. Okay. We'll write a wrapper class. See, if I just write int here, it will still throw an error. Okay, what's the error? They store it, syntax errors. So here we actually write a wrapper class or a class which represents the integer. Okay, so now R we have given, let's give ITN, something like that. Okay, we can add the same ITN dot add integer value, let's say 10. Let's say I want to add 20 and 50. Okay, do you guys remember we did the largest number? Remember a little while ago? Can you tell me how to get that value? Can we write enhanced for loop and can we get the largest number? Can we get it or not? How to find the max of this particular list? Guys, forgot everything. Good. Please don't forget me. Okay, let's take it. So if I want to take this list, what I have to add it here?
Integer.
Integer.
Integer or int?
Int.
Okay, let's try with int and ITM. It took? Okay, now let us remove this. Now tell me the formula. Can I write max equal to int max equal to 0? Right? Can I write if condition? If max less than I, max equal to I. Can I print the max value? Okay, chalo sys out. Max. Will this work? And always have to make sure if it get the max, that's it, break. No, here we should not break in the if condition. Okay, break is okay. Break is not required for that for now. Let me run. Got the maximum value? Good. So list can be an integer also. List can be string also. Good, guys. How will you write a boolean in list? Tell me the syntax.
List.
List boolean.
Okay, again, it should boolean should be a wrapper class, right?
Yes.
So boolean bo equal to new array list.
New
Again,
array list.
good. We're all creating an array list. See here, we create an array list also. So if you, by the end of the program, you want to clear everything, always add at the end of the try, okay? At the end of everything. bo dot clear. So list will be cleared. So r dot clear. I think one more thing is that itn dot clear. It will clear the list. Okay.
Where this BO, which one you had taken?
Yeah. So bo is here. So we haven't given anything. So the size of this list will be 0.
Okay,
If
okay.
not, you can check it. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. So it's out bo dot size. Okay. So bo dot size. See 0. Since we have not added anything. So clear this point, guys. Okay, good. So let us create one more program.
Sir,
So
add this program na, for chat.
Yeah, sure. You want to take this? Okay.
Yeah.
We add this program in the chat section. I don't know why my system is very fast today. Okay. Good, guys. So if you find collections is very important, guys. Again, I don't say anything is not important in Java. List is very, very important. Very, very interesting. N number of things are there. Okay, we'll see list all the 3 lists, all the 3 sets. Okay, it will be very interesting. I'll tell you that much. Chalo. Take this program. Just take the program, copy it somewhere. It will be really, really helpful. Okay, let's go to another program. Right click, class. Now we'll take linked list. So if you remember last class, so Again, the same concept. Linked list, array list, and vector are the part of the list. I'll show you what exactly this is. Now let me write a main program. It is very simple. If you have understood the array list, it's very, very easy. Okay. Don't have to move that much. It's very easy. But for your convenience, let us see the hierarchy of linked list and we'll compare which one is better, linked list or array list or vector. For linked list, again, we can create like this link, let's say string linked list, let's say ls equal to new linked list. Again, we can create an object with like this with list. We can create an object with this class linked list also. See, one more thing you have to understand. See, we are using Java util linked list, Java util list. Okay. Instead of that, if I just use dot star, and if I remove this, it should still work. What exactly do you mean by dot star?
Means everything.
Yeah, everything good. It's a kind of regular expression which we use. It's a everything good. Great, good, Nana. Okay. Again, the same concept here. List, we can add, how to add ls dot add. Let's say I'm adding Nayana. Let me add one more thing. Um, ls dot add qa circle, something like that. Qa circle ls dot add, or we can use some more method. Remove index is there. If you want to remove 0, if I want to remove 0, if I want to type sysout ls dot size, what will be the size here? Guys, I'm audible.
1.
Size 1. Okay, let me run this. Run as the application. Still the program is running great. The answer is 1. Okay, since we had Nayana and we have removed the Nayana list, so only QS circle remains. Again, the same. If you want to get ls, if you want to understand whether, if I don't remove it, right? Tell me this output. Let's ls dot get of 0 dot contains what should be the answer for 10th line?
Nine.
Nana? Answer is Nana, is it?
Yeah.
See the syntax? ls dot get of 0 dot contains of m. See this, guys, it's very easy. It should print Nana, is it? So what happens when you get contains?
Which contains in, right? Here
Yeah.
in list.
Yeah. So I just want to know what it will print, 10th line.
Yeah, Nayana.
Okay. Let's see the answer.
N, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Yes, Manju.
Get 0 indicates starting number 9. I think N.
Okay.
Only,
Go on, Rajesh.
only in, sir.
Only in. Okay. Chalo. Let's print it. Just now we have seen a program, right? What is this? R get of I contains Pallavi If this writes P, what is the outcome of an if clause or if condition? Boolean, right?
Yeah, if his booleans are correct.
Ah, so we are just checking here. In the index 0, what is there in the index 0? Nayana. We have not removed Nayana for now. In the just a second, we removed Nayana in the list, but now it's there. So contains N means what? N is there or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me what is this answer?
False.
False? Chalo. So if I run this, man, I don't know why it's so slow for me today.
I thought like my network is slow.
Your
Keep
network is good.
confirming.
No, my internet is good, but I think there is an issue with my laptop. There might be some updates or some other issues happening. I have to see. Okay. There are no other process, I think. Okay. Or let me stop the share for a second, I think. Can I stop you in the share? Yeah. I'll just stop the share, guys. For a second, I'll just join here. Okay. I have to see what exactly I have added. So nothing else. Let me remove some temporary files. Just a second, I'll go to the program. Finally, I think little bit of space is there. Let me share the screen now. Share. Let's go. Good. Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. Um, let's say I have ls dot remove of 0. Okay. Now tell me the answer of both. No, not getting easy, tough. Pavitra, Preeti, Rohit, what should be the answer? Come on, guys. Even if it's okay, go on, Manju. Nayana,
Like false and one size.
false and 1. Okay. So now, what happens when you remove this? 8th line Nayana is not there. So this QO circle becomes the 0.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Now let me see. Run as application. Good. Now, hmm, what should be the answer? Or
Nothing.
nothing.
Yeah, because before this system dot out, we had
Hmm,
removed both, right? So that boolean also won't come and the size is null.
Okay. Let's see. Exception. See, and you see the peculiarity. Index out of bound exception, size of 0, 0. We are not getting it here. But if you put this comment and if you run it, size should be 0. So there is an exception in this line. Understood, guys? We can add, we can remove just like how we did for array list. Good. Any question linked list?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Sure.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
initially you written is dot get zero and dot contains n means zero equals to 9, sir. It means
See, the logic was, let us go a little deep, okay? So this entire thing is 0 index, okay? This entire thing is 1 index. Now, think ls means linked list, get of 0. Now, this entire thing is an object. It added Nayana. So this is nothing but, got it?
yes, sir.
So if I add dot 1, this entire thing is nothing but QSL. Good?
Understood.
Understood. Awesome. So let us take one more list. Okay. Last and final list is vector. So we have to write just vector. So vector, we're not throwing an error because we have added dot star. Include all the libraries under util. Scanner also is in util. Right? No? Okay. Scanner, scan equal to new scanner system.in. Are we getting any error? No, right?
No.
Okay. So scanner is also under util. So whatever, if you put dot star, whatever and exists under the util, it will come up. Okay, good. Now let us remove scanner. We don't need for now. Just understanding the vector. So say vector is also same, guys. Let me add v dot add. So let me add now. Let's say Megha. So v dot add. Let me add a name which I haven't added yet. It's very difficult to find. It may add Manju. I think I've added Manju last time, but still I'll add Manju. Can I write like for string I colon v? Can I write like this? If I dot contains So what do you think the output will be? I'll just comment this too. So what do you think the answer will be?
Both, sir.
Both should print. Value is Megha and Manju. So let us run it. See again, vector behaves as a linked list. So altogether we have three lists in list. So let us see little bit. Now, if I just click on vector, vector has this. What do you call this? What do you call this?
Method
Is
constructor.
awesome. Great, Pavitra. See, constructor. So constructor. Huh. It's a class, public class vector. Now, let me close this. Let me go to linked list. This is again default constructor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is also a class. Now extends abstract and implements list. Okay. Similarly, we have array list. Again, this is constructor. It's what? Class. Getting the point? Array list, linked list, and vector are classes and they have inheritance with list. That is how we're able to create an object like this. Can we also create an object like this? Usually we do vector string v equal to new vector. Any wrong in this? So what do you think the difference between 13th line and 14th line?
Like list is a parent and the vector is inherited from list.
List is the, yeah, of course, list is the parent, right? Vector is inheritance of the list. But do you think is there any difference from here to here? Okay, you will not know that much, but understand when you're creating an object with the same class, right? Just go inside of this. This class will have methods. See, synchronize void to trim, n number of methods are there. Okay, now method has all the implementation. If you call the class, it has to create all the memory of these methods, right? It's an interview question. Just understand this. If you're creating a object with an interface, go to the interface. What does interface has? Does he have body methods? In body is there? Guys, come on. Any body
Yes.
is there for the interface? No, right? So logically speaking, this object creation is faster than this object creation. I don't know how many milliseconds or how many seconds. We'll see that in a second. But this 13th line, always remember, 13th line is faster than 14th line. Good till that point? Good, guys. Good. Okay, awesome. Now, so I have gone online and I was just checking, like, okay, let's see what exactly we will get in this program. List collection. I think this one, list comparison. Ah. So I added this program to check. I'll add this program in the description. Okay. Just I have added this program to show you guys which one is faster. which one is synchronization, and everything I've added. So again, I'll just explain it. The program, it's very easy program. You don't have to buy hard this program or see this program. Just this is a program for your reference to understand which list is actually better, which one is used all the time. Okay, see, this is a nested list creation. So we are creating a list. So this is something called off. When you add this off, just click on this. It goes to a method which takes more than one input. See, is okay. If you're still getting confused, forget this E list E. Okay, you tell me what exactly is this. What is this? First, tell me what exactly is this, sir.
Method.
Method, but what method is it?
Static method.
Static. Good. Come to the basic static method. Okay. Now, this one, if you don't understand, it's a data type. What is E? See here. Integer, string. So they have given commonly E, like how we define a data type, int, string, etc. And we have given like this, it means list. But what exactly are you passing here? List. It can be an array list, it can be a linked list, etc. Now, what is off? With off. Off. Method name? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Method name. Now, these three are parameters. Like how we write int a, comma, int b, comma, int c. I'm just going little deeper. When you watch this recording again, you'll definitely understand. If you're not understanding, now totally fine. But try to talk whatever you can, even if it's wrong or even if it's right or wrong doesn't matter. Only thing, if you have proper interaction, it will be really helpful for you guys. Now, it returns something that we are not worried for now. So what I'm trying to say here, if we go to this comparison, that's it. If you're taking multiple lists, use this dot off in future. So we are checking the type, we're checking the synchronization, we're checking the access time, etc. Don't worry on the program, just let me run it. Okay, first I'll do what? I'll expand this so that you guys can see the output. See which one executes first. First, what it came. See, first array list came, then linked list came only till this point, then vector came. Okay, vector came. Array list and linked list are non-synchronized. I'll tell you what exactly does this mean. We have threading concept yet. We haven't started it in Java, but understand this concept. Vector is synchronized. Okay. What do you understand by synchronization? Anyone? I'll run it once again to show you guys. But what do you understand by synchronization?
Same.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So how many are from Bangalore here? Or at least do you guys know the Bangalore traffic? Good, Nana knows. Which is a favorite street which has huge traffic, Nana?
Silk board.
Silk Board. Okay, let's go for Silk Board. I don't know how many lanes are there in Silk Board. For those of you who are not familiar, Silk Board is also called a choke point where Marathalli, Bellandur, all this traffic of IT companies starts. You have to say choke point during the peak time of the evening, maybe the peak time of the morning. Okay, let's say we have a signal. Of course, Silk Board has a signal. One signal is switches on. Let's say there are 4 lanes in one road. So we'll get traffic around 10 parallel cars or parallel vehicles will come up. Okay. So as the signal goes green, all these vehicles rush up. Getting the point? There is no, let's say there is no signal. Vehicles will go, vehicles will stop, some chaos will be there. If signal is there, vehicle will stop for a while, there is another lane moving, and there is always a traffic control. So now just see the program, understand this. Signal will not have a chaos. It's an organized way. That is called synchronization. Signal syncs of one lane. Let's say sailboat has four different uh, path to go. Okay, just let me go to paint again. Now I'll again, I'm a bad artist or whatever. So again, I'm adding the sailboat traffic here. Let's say sailboat is here. Now we have signals everywhere. Let's say we have one signal here, signal board. There's another signal. There's another signal. There's another signal. Okay. We have traffic coming from this side. Wait. This side, and this side. Okay. Now, if the signals are there, let's say if one is red, one is green, other should be red so that traffic can flow. Which other should be red depends on where the vehicles have to go. This is called synchronization. Now, if you don't have this signals itself, right? All the vehicles will drive like what?
Randomly.
Sorry?
Randomly.
Random. Or we can call it as Formula F1 race. It's going on. People will start fighting for their lane and there is all chaos. With signal, there is no chaos. Understood this point? Favorite sailboat traffic? I think sailboat was once famous, I think. Nowadays, I think we have many choke points and sailboat is still stands on the top, I think, in Bangalore, at far as I know. Okay. So with signals, it is synchronization. Without signals, it's a chaos. Now, just let me run the program again. Now you just see the program. You don't have to understand the program, just to see what exactly is happening. Vector is like a traffic with signals. Array list and linked list are traffic without signals. That's called synchronization. It is very useful when we have thread concept. We'll see in future. Let's say if you want to run n number of test cases in future in Selenium, we should have threads. Thread means the traffic. You run test case once, then we have to stop for a while so that other threads can run or other lanes of traffic should go. This one is not like that. Do randomly whatever you want. Now, see the execution time. Somewhere around, let's say 1.8 seconds. This is nanoseconds, by the way. This is like, let's say 11.9 seconds. And this is like 1.1 second. You tell me which one is fast. Okay, you want me to expand more? Oh, wait. Oh, what happened? Okay. Chalo, little up. Good. You tell me which one is faster. 1.8 seconds, 11.9 seconds, 1.1 seconds.
1.1 second.
So vector and array list are faster. But there's also difference. Vector is not synced. So whenever you have run test cases which you want to have a synchronization, always use vector. But the famous list is array list. Which one is slower? It is linked list is very
Linked
slow.
list.
See, whenever you want to create a list, you can create any list, array list, vector, or linked list. Popularly, this is the one always created. It's also called as dynamic array. Okay. So this simple program which I found was interesting to show you guys what exactly is the difference between array list, linked list, and vector. Everything good? Understood, guys? If
Yes,
you want,
sir.
I can land this program. You guys can play around with your laptop, Just see, just add more methods if you want. You don't have to understand the program, just run it. It is just basically adding few methods: measure access, asynchronization. This is, again, this is a parameter. This is a data type, what we use, but this is a list. When you add question mark, it can be anything: string, integer, etc. Don't have to understand the program if it is complicated enough for you. But understand, only we are calling these methods. In the main method, we are creating a list, and we are learning a for each loop, and we are adding few of the methods to check which list is faster. Okay, again, if I run, the values will little change. See, again, 18.1.809, something like that. Let me run once again. It may change a little bit of creation of the list again. So now you see it is 0.9, something like that, is 1.1. So vector is little slower than array list, but that is totally fine. But this one takes the cake. Always linked list is very slow. Good. Any doubts in list? Any doubts? Whether you want to know anything in the list. Good. List is good now. Shall we go to set? Set.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's go to set now. Do you guys need to practice any program you need to work on? Just a simple program for a few minutes. Not interested? Okay, no problem. Set collection Java. If you're not understanding, let me know. So understanding is only the main thing here. Okay, now how do I create a set object? You have saw the list object, right? How do I create it? Before creating, I'll tell you there are three types of list. Hash set, sorry, there are three types of sets. Okay, hash set, linked hash set, and preset. Okay, now tell me, how do I create an object? It's very easy, dead easy, superb, unbreakable, beatable. Rajesh, Nana, Pavitra. It's easy.
Set collection Java.
Good. That's what I'm expecting, man. Good. Set string
String.
st
Variable name.
st. Good. Next equal to
Equals to name.
hash set. Okay. New hash set. Is hash set correct? Okay, maybe it's a capital yes. I think. Okay, good. So I have to hover it. Again, it's Daviutil. I'll just put Daviutil dot start. So now you have to understand one thing. Set and list are kind of similar, but in sets, duplicates are not allowed. That's the first thing you have to understand. Now, tell me three names that you want to add. Any names? What happened? Everything okay? Make any name that you like.
Sir Varun.
Varun, good. Varun Dhawan, your favorite actor? That's Varun? Okay, sure. No problem. Any significance for the name? That's it? Varun? Okay, good. We can ask some other person. Uh, Karthik, your favorite? Any favorite name for you? Naveen, any favorites you have?
Dhoni.
Dhoni. Chalo, Dhoni we have. Nobody's Virat fan, huh? Oh, good.
Virat.
Um, Virat, Rajesh is going Virat, okay? You saw his century the other day?
Yes. Yesterday, no,
Okay.
sir.
Yesterday only, right? Okay, good. And the famous words when he was doing century, Rohit Sharma was telling something. You saw that?
No, sir. Yesterday, I didn't, sir.
Okay, no
Yesterday.
problem. Is everything all right, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, good. I know you're a little dull. Usually you'll be the always like on target. I can understand. Take 1 or 2 days with the recordings. You can be back on track. Okay, good. So let's say I will add st dot add Kohli again. Okay. Can I add Kohli again?
No.
You can add
Duplicates
it.
not allowed.
Yes, duplicates not allowed. Okay. Okay. Now you tell me what will be the size. St dot size. Duplicates are still not allowed. You tell me the size.
2.
2. Everyone agreed to?
Error.
Error. Okay. Nice. What else we can expect? Okay. Duplicates, error, 2 size. Anything else, guys? Come on, it's easy only. Okay, shall I? Okay, I'll run it for you guys to show. Size is 4. Size 4. Now, if I just type like this, what exactly it should print?
All 4 names.
All 4 names?
Uh,
Okay,
only 3 names. 3 names.
only 3 names.
Now
Okay,
error.
error. Okay, good. Let's see. Error or 3 names? Kohli, Varun, Dhoni. What is happening here? Why duplicates are allowed, right? Not allowed, right?
Yeah, it's taking.
Sir, K
Are
is
you not noticing any difference here?
Sir, capital K and small k.
See, good catch, Nayana, good. So if I just write K, okay, if I write st dot size, you tell me the size now.
3.
3, chalo. Let me run it. 3. Now, if I just write it here, what will be the answer?
Kohli, Dhoni, Varun.
Good. See, and you also notice, was Kohli added in the first? No, right? Kohli was added here
No.
somewhere. Then Varun was added in the first. It came in the beginning. Dhoni added somewhere, right? So it means that this is not a proper ordering. In set, particularly has set, there is ordering is not followed. You can enter anything, but randomly it will run. I think next time also it will come in the same thing, but order is not followed. Understood? Good.
Yes, sir.
So I missed one thing in list. I'll go to list collection. Okay. Now we saw somewhere here, no? Let me copy this. There is also one way to find the index of Pallavi. Okay. Sai Pallavi, Sai Manu Pallavi have had, right? So if we want to find, let me write string R I only. Let me put R here. So sys out I dot index last, I think last index of, and then we can give break. Or else we don't have to use this maybe. Let me put R only. It will give you the index. So if I write run like this, -1, because the exact, it's not contains. This one I wanted to show actually. If you're finding an element which is not here, exact name, it should throw -1. Let's say if I want to find this index or Sai Pallavi, you tell me what will be the answer. Last index of Sai Pallavi. What is the answer, guys? What happened? Nobody? Okay. So see the index here. 5 is answer, 4 is answer. Let me run it. 3. Index start with 0 or 1.
0.
So it is 3. If I want the first one, there should be a method called first
Index.
index, last index. Okay. Index of Sai Pallavi. This will only take the first one.
Right.
Okay. Now, if I add in between Sai Pallavi, this is the other way to get it. Okay. Again, see here, duplicates are allowed in list. Duplicates are allowed.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good. So that is the difference between list and set. Again, now can I remove a set? St dot remove Kohli. Okay, wait. What does remove takes? Index or what? Do we even have a remove? First of all, wait. Remove takes an object. See? Object O. Whereas in list, remove takes what? R dot remove. Its index is also there, object is also there. See. Index is a string, object is this one. Now, it's okay, not an issue. Let me remove this. Let me go back. Again, let's see whether we have remove or remove the entire collection, remove the object. Okay, let me remove Kohli. Now tell me the size here. What will be the size?
2.
2? Sure? Any other answer, guys? No? Yes?
2.
3. Okay,
Sorry,
good.
3.
3. So Manju is 3, Nan is 3, Rajesh is 2. Pavitra is also 2. Okay, let me run this. 2? Why 2? Y2. This is a set again.
Sir, one thing, it won't allow duplicate, and one more
Yes.
thing, totally removed the object only coil. Whatever coil is there, it is removed.
Hmm. So this one you forget. Kohli can only be added once because it doesn't allow duplicates. Now, if I remove the object which is the Kohli, what are remaining? Varun and Dhoni. So if I use this out, ST, it should print Varun and Dhoni. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you may ask, it is following the order, right? It is giving just randomly. Okay. If I just add like a Kohli and let's say ST dot add, tell me one other favorite name. Anyone? Okay, let me check the name. Rahul, your favorite player or favorite name in the world? Rahul, is there?
Yes, sir. I am there.
Sorry? Okay, I
You can
think,
use my name itself.
yeah, keep your name. Good, man. That's good. Actually, appreciate it. You like your name so much. Good.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, man. Okay. See, if I put like this, Rahul, Kohli. Now you tell me what is the size, what it will print.
Size is 3, and
Size 3.
Varun,
See, it can be Varun, Dhoni, or Rahul. It can be Rahul, Dhoni, or Varun. Okay. Let's see. Let me write this. Good. See, we added Rahul at the end. After that, Kohli was added, and we removed Kohli. This was ignored, and then size was in random. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Again, it should have all the methods, just like how we had. Uh, good. It should have all the methods how we had in list. Now, tell me how I can see what is the index of Rahul. Rahul index. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Index of Rahul.
index of
Can we have? Wait. Equal hash code remove retain all size. Array iterator. Clear notify. Wait. No. If you want to get index, how will do? Index of. Okay. Shall we run a loop? Let's see. Loop. It's a string. String I equal to st. So if I put I dot, can I get anything? Index. Get. Index of string. Okay. So if I get, let's say if, now it is, so it should be st, right? St doesn't have an index. Good. And one more thing. If whatever we add, if the index changes, list is not prepared, does it make sense to get an index? Does it make sense to get an index?
No, sir.
No, right? Now, what else we can do with for loop? Can we print? So let me print. Run as. So whatever the list is printed, Rahul, Varun, and this guy is printed. So there is also one more method time to see index. Okay. Let us write count equal to 0. Just simple counter. Okay. to understand an index. Again, we have to pass the entire one, guys, exactly like this. So let me go to all smalls, okay? If you write Dhoni capital, it might not find it, okay? Now, let's see. So I can write like this: if I is a string now, can we have equal or contains? Let me put equals only. Equal.
Yes.
Let me write, let's say, Varun. And if we write Varun, let me write count. Or can I write like return? Can I write return count? Okay. What exactly you have to be change return? Meta type print. Okay, what is type? Okay. Okay, no issue, no issues. Let me go to void. Again, I'm only confused. Okay. Let me put void here. Let me take this entire thing, okay? Again, simple guys. Just we are finding a what we are finding index. So let me take index, get index of an element. Now it should be a what it should be. It should have a set as a method. So I'll take like this hash set, and the return type should be a string, and it should be a set type. Set type. This is the data type. This is a variable name. Don't forget all that, okay? And let's say this is string, and this is a value, something like that, okay? And this should have a return type. Let us return something. Let us return one for now, okay? So that it will not throw an error. Now, can we write a for loop here? Can I write like this? Okay, wait. We did copy the for loop, right? Okay, again we have to write a for loop. Now, for string I colon, can I write set? Can I write set? You cannot write set. Okay. if I dot equals anywhere, if you're finding it is getting complicated, let me know, okay? Value is the one which we will pass, okay? We'll write we'll have to add the counter also. Wait. Let me add the counter here. And count plus plus, or we have to just return count. If we don't get it, just count plus plus. Count plus plus. I'll show you why index doesn't matter here, okay? If we don't get an element, return 1 or -1, doesn't matter. We have to return an integer value. Now, let me call this method. How do I call this method? Get int of. Can you just call like this? Get index. Will it work? Right? Because it's static method and there's also static one. Okay, any point if you are not understand, let me know. No, it is throwing an error. It needs a list. So this is the list and it needs an element. Element is Varun. We are passing like this. Okay, so again we are getting change method to string. Okay, did we write string? String only we gave, no? st is the value. Um, okay, not an issue. Then we'll create with set only. Good. We are passing a set of a string, variable name, string value. Now, it should give me a value, right? If it gives me value, can I write this out? Can I write this out, guys?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Run as good. We got a value as 2. Dhoni is 0, Rahul is 1, Varun is 2. Now, if I add st.add some other player, Jadeja. Okay, not my favorite, but I'm just telling you guys. Okay. Now, let us run as. See, the index changed. Somewhere Varun is here. Jadeja was supposed to be added at the end. Right? It got. But it is giving the index according to this value. So again, this is, in Hindi we call Jugad. I don't know what you call in Canada. So if we don't get direct method, create a method of your own. So get index, we are passing a set, we are passing a value, we're trying to find a method here. Okay, let's say if I just write Manju, what should be the answer? Manju, you have to tell you. I have put you on spot in 30-second line. I have added your name. You tell me what will be the answer.
Sir, first 4, and then like first 4 and Jadeja, Dhoni, Rahul, Varun, it will be same. And I think in last it will be -1. It seems 32.
-1. Okay. Correct? Okay, let's see. Now the method what we write, it should be like a Java own method, right? You remember in list we saw, if we don't get anything, it will throw -1. Like Pallavi or not exact match. Sai Pallavi was exact match. It was throwing -1. So that's why I created a method. I gave a return as -1. So if it doesn't find Manju, answer will be -1. Good man, Rajesh. Back on track, Rajesh. Good man. Chalo. Understood set or hash set for now. Shall we go for another linked hash set and tree sort? Wait. What is the other one? Tree set. Is it okay? Any doubts in this hash set? Hmm? So no doubt, is it? Good? Are we good?
So similarly, we can try with int also, right? Like instead of string.
Sorry. Yeah, sure. Tell me how we'll write in int.
Set integer.
Good? Oh, wait. Hmm?
In. Okay. New hash set.
So in between, I'm reading myself. Good. See? If I put in dot add integer 1, I can add it here. In dot add of 2, etc. Good? Any more doubts?
Yes.
Good. Chala. Let's see. Next one is linked hash set. So let me add it here. Class. So it is linked hash set. Okay, good. So let me create a linked hash set. Again, I can import the same thing, java.util. Wait. Let me create an object like this only. Object, okay, like this. So instead of set, hash set, it should be linked hash set. It is the linked hash set, correct? Linked hash set is correct. Type arguments. Okay. Now I gave a exact name, right? So let me create another class. Class test. Okay, let me delete it. So let me create a new class. Linked example, something like that. Okay. So let me add it here. Main method. So once I add main method, let me add a collection. So again, it should be a java.util. An example dot star. Let me copy this. Or let me copy the entire thing. Okay, let me add it here. This point. Okay, it has set. In is not needed. Now, again, set common thing, duplicates are not allowed. Okay, so now so what will be the output here? In the previous we saw Jadeja, Dhoni, Rahul, and Varun. What should be the output here, according to you?
Total 5, sir. Dhoni, Rahul, Jadeja.
So total 5, but what will be the output? So ST here is the set itself. What it will print?
With the order.
With order?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. When you say order, what exactly it will print?
Like Varun, Dhoni, Kohli, Rahul, Jadeja.
Okay, chalo. Let me write. See, is following the order which you have entered. That is the difference between linked hash list and where is that? Hash set. Linked hash set. Hash set. Again, did it add duplicate?
No.
Now, if you want to get an index, if you want to remove, same thing. All sets will have same thing. Now, You tell me what is the answer. Answer
0.
0. Run as 5.
Huh?
Okay. You see the error here. Unlikely argument set to remove object of a collection string. We can remove object only, not the entire collection. So if you want to remove collection, you have to add like this. Object is this one. Okay. Now you tell me the size.
4.
Huh?
4.
4.
4.
Run as C. We can remove an object. Now, there was also a remove to collection. You have to use remove all. Now tell me the size.
0.
0.
0.
Okay. 0. Now st dot add. Let me write. Um, Salman something like that. Tell eldest, right? You tell me the size.
1.
1.
1. Okay.
1, sir.
Run as the application. 1. So these all are removed because of remove all. We have now used add means the size will be 1 and this is the only element or an object present in the inside this linked hash list. Understood? Easy? Good. Hmm. What is the answer? Nothing? Good?
So
So,
this remove all and clear both will be done
then,
same action.
yes, that's what I'm trying to explain. See, if I want to print the memory, sysout st dot identity hash code add st dot hash code. Wait. So remove all and clear. And clear. There should be way to find it. If not hash code, give it. Okay. Now you tell me what will be the answer in 16th line or 19th line?
Think Boolean.
Nil?
Boolean, sir, isn't.
True.
So this is a boolean, no? Output is a boolean value.
Yeah.
You tell me
True.
what will be the answer. Sorry?
True.
True. Ah.
And then 19 again true. I see.
Hmm. Okay, chalo. It's true and true. Okay. So remove clear is meaning it is the list is gone. Okay. Hmm. See, when you do remove all, it removes the elements. Okay. What exactly are the elements here? Varun, Dhoni, and all. When you do clear, it exactly clears everything and all. So you may ask, okay, what are the elements present that remove or cannot remove, and clear does. So there is an example for that also. Mm, Wait. So there is a one difference. We can add it here. Mm, See, st dot clear is a void. Okay, let's go inside. If you have like this, it is interface. Does it have a declaration? Should be interface, right? We go up. It should be an interface of what? Set. Now, if I take this one, it's a void. It doesn't have any return type. Okay, let's go to remove all. So remove all is a boolean which exactly takes a collection. Now, you see the little difference here. Okay, can I have another collection where let us create another collection. Let me put st2. Okay, and I want to add st2 first three items. So st2. Okay, now instead of this, you guys understanding, right? Okay, if you're not understanding, totally fine. Let me remove this. Till this point, you understood? So st has, okay, let me remove this Kohli also. Let me remove this also. So, is this clear? After this, we'll stop. We'll see tree set tomorrow. At least this point is clear, guys. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So it has 5 elements or 5 objects. It has 3 objects. Now, you see the peculiar of remove all. Peculiarity. You see, if I put st1 dot, sorry, st1 dot remove all. There is no st1. Okay, good. Dot remove all. It takes an input as a collection. Now, can I remove st of st1? Sorry, st2. Now you tell me this is out of st and sys out of st sys out of st dot size. I'm doing removal only here. See the difference. What will be the answer?
I think object of st2 will be removed, sir.
Oh yeah. I just want the output. I can understand what it will be removed, but tell me what is the answer for 21st and 22nd line.
It will print Varun, Dhoni, Kohli, Rahul, Jadeja.
Yeah.
Sorry?
And
Go on, Manju. Tell me.
It will print
So,
Varun,
Varun,
Dhoni.
Okay. All are excited, I know. Okay, go one by one. No issues.
I
Okay,
think
go on.
Varun, Dhoni, Kohli,
Hmm.
Rahul, Jadeja, and
Okay.
then the size will be like 5.
Okay. So you're saying the answer will be the first one and size will be 5. That's it, right? Okay. And Nayana is saying this will be exactly printed. And say linked hash list, it will maintain the order. Okay. Now, Manju,
Yes, sir. Same. I said Varun, Dhoni.
Varun Dhoni, Kohli, Rahul Jadeja. Okay, good. Rajesh,
yes, yes, same, sir.
same. Okay, good. Um,
Same, sir.
anyone wants? Yeah, go on. Okay.
No, sir.
Anyone, Pavitra? Any answer?
Same answer, sir.
Sorry, I'm not.
Same,
I didn't get it.
same
Okay.
answer, sir. Whatever they said, same.
Same answer.
Ah,
Let's. Okay, good, good.
Sir,
Good.
sir, it will print first Varun, Dhoni, Kohli, Rahul, Jadeja. Next, it will print 0, I think.
Okay. You're saying first it will print all 5, then it will print 0. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Good, good. Let's see. Let's see what is the answer. Getting, guys? That's what like I appreciate Pavitra's doubt. See, even see the removal clear, there is distinct clear difference here. If we have same elements, right? Similar elements. If we are doing remove all of this collection and what exactly we're giving this entire collection, the similar elements are removed. The only elements are this and the size is 2. Okay. Now, if I remove this, if I just write st dot clear, it's a void. It doesn't have anything. Now you tell me what should be the answer.
means it will clear only above one.
Yeah. So what it will print 21st and 22?
0 and 3 means first one is nothing will print, second 3 size.
So this 0, this is 3. Okay. This 0 and this 5.
Okay.
I think same
Ze
Rahul,
ze
Jadeja, and
Okay. Nayana, what's saying? Rahul Jadeja.
uh,
Okay. Still, let's see. Let's see. It is clearing the entire thing. st dot clear will clear all this thing. Nothing happening, nothing matters of here. List is cleared, entire thing is cleared. Now what will be the answer? Come on, guys, easy only.
3
nothing.
means empty array and 3.
Empty array and
Sorry,
3.
empty. So not 3, empty array and 0.
Okay, let's see. Good. So remove all has a parameter. Okay. We can exactly whatever the matching elements it will delete. Okay. Clear doesn't have any parameters. Basically doing the same thing. Good. Understood. Linked list. Linked
Yes,
hash.
sir. Sir, can we
So in
write this
the
remove?
yeah.
Can we write this remove all also without parameter?
No, it should throw an error.
Okay.
It's sincere syntax, right? Just put dot remove all. See here, I think it's visible. So remover takes a collection. Retain all takes a collection. Okay. If you put remove all dot st2 and then dot retain all of st2, what will be the answer? Hmm. This one is last, and then we can wind it up.
First it will remove, but to
Hmm.
retain no data, na? So then how it can retain?
Yeah, just a guess. Just
So
guess it, right? Not an issue.
It
We'll
will
see.
print ST and S2, S2, sir.
Sorry,
It will print both, sir, I think.
it will print both. Which both? This one and
Means,
this one.
yes, sir.
sir,
Okay.
Varun, Dhoni, Kohli, Rahul, Jadeja, and 5.
Okay. Good. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what is the answer. So to understand, you have to do this one. Sys out of ST and sys out of ST. Let's see. First is Rahul and Jadeja, right? Now, if I do ST dot retain all of ST2, anything is there in ST that doesn't have an ST2.
No.
Okay. For example, if I remove this, right, what will be the answer? Okay. Let's see. Varun, Dhoni, Kohli. Whatever is there in ST2, put it in ST. That's what you're getting. Size 3. Got it? At least you got this one. Let's go one level deep. Now, if I do remove all, it will remove all what is there in ST2. Now, Rahul and Jadeja is only remaining. If I do retain all of ST2, already we have removed that. What exactly it will retain? Already list is there. So retain all will not retain. It will be blanked. It will remove this Rahul and Jadeja. Okay. Remove all ST2. See, sys out of ST also do. To understand little deeper. Okay. Sys out of ST2. First should be Varun, Dhoni and Kohli. Second should be what? Rahul and Jadeja is ST because we are removing all. Varun, Dhoni and Kohli is the second one. Now, what exactly is there to retain for ST? Nothing, right? There is any similar element?
No, sir.
No.
No, right? Okay. Now you tell me a dot. Now you tell me the answer.
Rahul, Jadeja, Kohli.
Okay. For this one, you are saying Rahul Jadeja Kohli. Okay, but Kohli will come here. So
No,
here
no.
only Rahul Jadeja will be
Yeah,
there. Okay.
only Rahul
Here.
Jadeja here in
So
20,
20th line. 20.
21st.
Okay. 21st. Good.
Yeah, and then
Rahul Jadeja Kohli.
no, first it will be Rahul Jadeja, and in
Hmm.
22nd, it will add Kohli to that Rahul
In
Jadeja.
22nd, it will add Kohli. Okay. In 22nd, it will add Kohli. Good. Good. So 23rd, what will be the answer? No answer.
MTR, MTR.
So 23rd will be this one, no? Varun, Dhoni, and Kohli. Getting confused? Okay. Now, retain all will retain only the what? Common elements, right? So here, even though it is Rahul, Jadeja, and Kohli, what will be the 25th line and what will be the 26th line? When you do retain. Okay, if you're still confused, let me run. No issues. Let's go deeper. Now, 21st line, it will give Rahul Jadeja because we have done remove all of SQ2. So whatever there in SQ2, remove everything. So these three are removed. Till this point, understood, guys? Thumbs up. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Awesome. Nice. So what we are doing here, we are adding Kohli after this. So if I print this one ST here, I'm not printing it. So it will Rahul, Jadeja, and Kohli after 22nd line. I'm printing ST2 here, which is Varun, Dhoni, and Kohli. So Rahul, Jadeja, Kohli, Varun, Dhoni, Kohli, which one is common? Retain all, common. From ST to ST. Retain means that only. What is common? Retain, other remove. For example, uh, um, so in my team, I have me, Rajesh, and Manju. Okay. There is another team called Nayana, Pavitra, Megha, and Rajesh. If I want to retain, if my team want to retain Nayana's team, who will remain in my team?
Rajesh.
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 See, Rajesh is common. Understood? That you mean by retain all. Retain all whatever is in SQ2. SQ2 has these three. But ST1 has Rahul, Jadeja, and Kohli. Kohli is being the common. That's why Kohli was added. And the answer is 1. Understood, guys? Interesting. Collection good? Awesome. So I'll stop there. I will not eat your brain too much. Okay, let me stop the recording. Okay.